Is that pizza?
That's working so hard. That beautiful. Sizzle and smoke time, boys and girls. Lots of girls. Our friends in Mexico, Britain, United States, we're here for you, and we're making a ring of fire cheese pretzel dip. It's incredible. You gotta wait and see what it is. I have a pot boiling on the stove. 2 tablespoons of baking soda in there. And this whole recipe is going to be on sizzleandsmoke.shop. It's very easy, so follow along. We have our original 16, 80 calories. That is almost like, it tastes like a real original 16, but it's only 80 calories. Amazing. We have our country biscuits. That's what these are right here.
Not city biscuits?
No, only for country folks. If you want to see here, Corey, I'm putting an X on top of these.
Marks the spot?
X marks the spot. You're like, what are you doing? Well, we're scoring these up, it's called. And everyone can buy these. These are in every...
Score 1 for pretzels.
Now, I'm going to show you these 3. We need to put these in our baking soda water. What are we doing here? I know this looks complicated. It's really not. We are making these into pretzels. The baking soda, it's some kind of science. So we have our last 2 coming out. They just look like a watery English muffin. They're in there for about a minute each. Look how they fluffed up. This is how we get our pretzel process. That one could probably use a bit more. We'll give her a go. There we go. Let's make ourselves a nice little path for our amazing melted cheese. So what do we need for this? Philadelphia cream cheese. The original. Corey, how much did you use in your...
You don't want Pittsburgh cream cheese, Philadelphia, right?
I'd rather have Pittsburgh cream cheese. Pittsburgh Penguins. See, now if you make this... Actually, I'm going to mix this in a bowl. That would be a smart idea.
Cut this part out.
Cut this part out. That's what Chip always says.
Who?
Chippa. Okay, this is something you make this for Grey Cup, Super Bowl, Saturday night hockey, Sunday night football. Trust me, you are going to be the star. And it looks complicated. You're like, oh, I don't know if I can do that. Yeah, you can do this. Do you think 1 is enough for this size? I'm thinking so.
Yep.
We're going to add real bacon. Crispy bacon. You can make your own bacon. We bought this because it's quick. A cup of onions. And you can put anything in here. Anything that you personally like. I'm giving you my standard. A whole whack of triple cheddar. Now I'm going to take a knife or a fork and smash this down. And I'm going to hit it with some parsley and some salt and pepper and some hot sauce. So let's take a 10-second break and we'll come back with the finished pre-product. Back in business, babies. Here is our mix. Remember those peppers I had? What video was that? The Big Mac?
Yep.
That whole counter full of
Chicken
peppers?
wings.
Chicken wings? This is what's left. This is Corey's red hot sauce recipe. Oh, it is good. And look at the color.
Vibrant.
Like, that's real deal. And just for my personal preference, we're going with some hot peppers in here. I like the spice. And some nice fresh parsley. It's a rough chop, that's okay. So we take all this beautiful mixture.
Your email.
Your email. We pipe it right into the middle.
Wipe it right down between the middle of it.
Yep. Look at this. This is cool.
Coming in.
And really, even in real time, we're talking like this has been like 5 minutes. Takes 1 minute to do your side pretzels. And it's all going to melt down. Like I said,
Cheese melts down. Pretzels melt.
this is the show stopper, boys and girls. Make this. Amaze people. Oh, working so hard. That is crisp, refreshing, tastes like a real beer. For 80 calories, that's amazing. Okay, we're going to pop this into the oven at 350 for 33 minutes.
Not 34?
Not 34, 33. And while that's happening... All right, Sizzle and Smokers, we're back for the big reveal. Thanks for sticking around, watching the whole video. We just filmed the... what was that thing even called?
The Blue Margarita.
The Blue Margarita and the Old Fashioned, Corey's drink. You got to see this Blue Margarita. I won't even say anymore. But here's the big reveal.
Think limeade.
Limeade. Here's what's going to make you famous at every party. That right there. And you saw how easy this was. This was not difficult. It looks difficult. That is crazy. That's just a ring of beauty. Cheesy, crispy, goodness. Oh my, oh. Now we should let those cool a little bit. So I'll just test it with some beautiful, look at that. The bacon, the onion.
Burn your face off.
That's insane. That's in the plums. Left plum, right plum, blue Gatorade. Oh my God. Corey, you gotta dig into that. Okay. You saw how easy this was. It looks complicated. Looks like you're some genius. It's all right there. Sizzle and Smoke. sizzleandsmoke.shop. Go there, get our recipes. Don't try to make it just by watching the video. Watch the video again. Get your printout. Everything's much easier that way. And watch for midweek, the Blue Gatorade video. And I literally don't even want to talk. I just want to get into this because this is unreal. Till next time, Mexico.
Later, skaters.
Can't double dip.